Hey guys, it's yours truly back with another episode of Lean Manufacturing with WireCrafters. Today we're in our saw department and we're looking at one of our last manual operations. It's our press brake where we punch holes and copes and angle after we cut them down to size. Behind me you'll see the tooling over here, and for a long time we had a problem where we would get them with a tool if it was damaged or bad or whatever else. We would just put it back in the cabinet and not necessarily notify somebody. So then the next person would go to grab it, have to fix it at that time, and if there was no backups, then you're down waiting. So the guys got together, come up with a storage cabinet and a solution to that problem. So what the team did is, line 4 is where all this stuff goes. It used to be multiple lines, but now it's solely line 4. So we have a tag for line 4, a magnet for maintenance. We have color-coded how many of each punch we should have, and the punches go in certain slots. We have the front color-coded to match the sticker. Of course, over time that fades because the paint don't last forever with the wear and tear. And whenever they pull one, they'll put the magnet of where that's at. So if a tool goes bad, instead of putting it away, they'll take that tool, they put it on the card here, they have their log on top so we can see when it went up, what the cause of it is, put a red tag on it, and then they take that over to maintenance at the end of the day so maintenance knows to fix that and bring it back over. They'll put a maintenance magnet here, that way if anybody comes looking for that tool, they know where that tool's at. That one's in maintenance. If it's not in maintenance, it should be on line 4. The only place it should be is right here in this tool cabinet. So it's been a great solution for us, and it's really kept us from hunting for tools a whole lot.